Software Project Manager. So in this session, we are going to discuss what are the roles and responsibilities of Software Project Manager. We know that Software Project Manager is a very important role in our software development. So Software Project Manager must be having a thorough conception regarding the phases of the SDLC which is getting used in the software development process. A Software Project Manager may not be looking after the end product, the minute each and every features of the end product, but overall control and monitoring will be under his or her study. And this particular software manager, this software project manager will be also establishing a communication between multiple resources and users regarding multiple different issues, that is the budget, cost, the resources, the quality and the user's feedback. So let us discuss the roles and responsibilities of software project manager. So a software project manager is a person who undertakes the responsibility of executing the software project. The software project manager is thoroughly aware of all phases of SDLC that the software would go through. And the project manager may never directly involve in producing the end product, but he controls and manages activities involving in the production. So this software project manager will do the managing, controlling and this supervising all the activities for this development process. So he might not be involving in the producing the end product, but might be having supervision on all these aspects. A software project manager closely monitors the development process, prepares and executes various plans, and arranges necessary and adequate resources, and also very important that maintains communication among all the team members in order to address some issues related with cost, budget, resources, time and quality and customer satisfaction. So these are the main purposes of one software project manager. So software project manager is performing multiple different responsibilities and a very important and vital role in the software development process. Now let us see what are the different responsibilities that one software project manager will perform. So managing people. So act as a project leader, liaison with the stakeholders, managing human resources and setting up reporting hierarchy. So these are the different roles in case of managing people. Managing project, we are defining and setting up project scopes and managing project management activities, monitoring progress and performance. We should be doing this monitoring progress and performance on a very regular basis, otherwise the project will miss the budget, the project will miss the deadline. And risk analysis at each and every phase and take necessary step to avoid or come out of the problems and act as project spokesperson. So these are the different roles and these are the different responsibilities the software project manager will be performing for the managing of the project. So in our discussion, we have discussed a little bit more into the details about the roles and responsibilities of software project manager. Thanks for watching this video.
Tutorialspoint.com. Simply easy learning.